He's probably just trying to cool off. He's cute as a button. Oh, baby. This one here is just not sure about me. But he's very, very friendly. Ain't that pretty? Ah, my. Thank you, Lord. It's a beautiful morning. Wish I had some coffee. Huge bass just keeps flopping up here. I have no way of holding my phone. I usually see quite a bit of wildlife through here. A lot of turtles sitting on the logs. A lot of birds. Some cranes. Herons. I'm not sure which one. You can hear them coming though. Sound like a goose. What do we got here? It's like a beaver. Might be a river otter. That would be so cute. I don't know if it's a beaver. It'll smack the water and try to scare me to death. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there's two. Oh my gosh. Gosh, look how big that is. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, don't run away. Oh my gosh. Best day ever. Best day ever. Oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. There we go. Now we know what it is. Gee, I can't imagine where the beavers live. Here's the turtle. Hi, buddy. there's a carp. I don't know if you look below. I don't know if you see me or not. There they go. I don't know how they survive because they sure don't eat anything I throw. Thanks for watching. I hope sometime you can come out and go kayaking with us, or if you're interested in renting kayaks, we do rent kayaks, $15 for the day if you pick them up. We do charge a delivery fee if you need delivery. We are located in Lawrence County, Kentucky, and what you're looking at is the lovely Blaine Creek that flows from Yatesville Lake into Fallsburg and continues on for miles until it reaches the river, and it's just absolutely beautiful. On occasion you'll see herons and cranes and bald eagles. Be sure to go follow Lawrence County Tourism. You'll find all our upcoming events in the county, all the fun things going on, and boy do we have a great lineup for this summer and into the fall, so don't miss out. So y'all need to go check out some of our local campgrounds. We have Lawrence County Park, Wilderness Road. We have Creekside Cabins and RV Park. We have the Overlook, and we have the Falls Campground. Go check them out.